Hi guys, Chris again from Cal Training, and today we're going to be showing you how to block the automatic install of Edge Chromium. So the new browser from Microsoft is Edge Chromium. Chromium? Can't even say it, but yeah. So it's a new browser on some versions of Windows 10, Home and Pro, 1803 and greater. It actually auto installs. So we can use, Microsoft have brought a piece of software out called Edge Chromium Blocker Toolkit, and this will disable the automatic install. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. So the first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft Edge, or any web browser will do really. And then if you just pop into the search, Edge Chromium Blocker Toolkit, if you click the first link, and if you scroll down the page and you're looking for the bit where it says you can download the Blocker Toolkit, so if you just left click on that, we'll start the download. It's only pretty small really, so it won't take long. And if you run the piece of software, read the end user license agreement, click yes. You need to provide a folder, so I'm just going to add in C, and then I'm going to call it Edge. You don't have to provision the folder, it will create it. So if you click yes, okay, that's now installed. So I'm going to type in CMD into the search bar and then run command prompt as administrator. Okay, UAC prompt as usual. Okay, so if you just pop in, just do a standard change directory. So we're just changing the directory to C:/Edge. And then there's a executable in there called Edge Chromium. Just typing that in now. So it's Edge Chromium _ blocker.cmd/b, and that'll actually run the actual removal software. And there we go. Thanks for watching.